Do you want to improve your English and improve your pronunciation? This video is for you. Here, you will train your ears, understand English more clearly, and feel more confident answering in English. Stay until the end because first I'm going to tell you a simple story about friends. Then I'll give you easy phrases you can remember and practice for real conversation. All right, let's start. Today, I want to tell you a story about two women who meet for the first time and they become friends. One of them is named Sophia and the other one is named Emily. Sophia is new in town. She just moved to the city a few weeks ago. She doesn't know many people yet, and she wants to make friends. Emily lives in this city. She likes meeting new people. She is friendly and open. One afternoon, Sophia decides to go to a small coffee shop. She wants a calm place where she can sit and relax. When Sophie walks in, she looks around. The coffee shop is not too crowded. It smells like coffee and fresh bread. She likes it. She walks to the counter and orders a drink. "Hi," she says. "Can I get a latte, please?" "Sure. What size?" Sophia answers. "Medium, please." Then she pays and she waits. While she waits, she looks for a place to sit. Most tables are taken, but she sees one small table with one seat open. A woman is sitting there with a laptop and a notebook. The woman is Emily. Sophia walks closer and speaks politely. "Hi," Sophia says. "Excuse me, is this seat taken?" Emily looks up and smiles. "No, it's not," Emily says. "You can sit here." Sophia smiles back. "Thank you," she says. "I really appreciate it." Sophia sits down slowly. She tries to be polite and not interrupt Emily. For a minute, they are quiet. Emily is typing on her laptop. Sophia is looking around the place. Then Emily closes her laptop a little and looks at Sophia. "Are you new here?" Emily asks. Sophia looks surprised, but she smiles. "Yes," she says, "I'm new. I've moved here recently. Emily's face looks friendly and curious. Oh, welcome, Emily says. That's exciting. Where did you move from? Sophia answers. I moved from Texas. Emily nods. Nice. Do you like here so far? Sophia thinks for a moment. Yes, she says. I like it. The city is nice, but I don't know many people yet. Emily smiles warmly. I understand, Emily says. It can be hard at first. Making friends takes time. Sophia laughs softly. Yes, she says. Exactly. Then Emily says, by the way, my name is Emily. Sophia smiles and says, nice to meet you, Emily. My name is Sophia. Emily nods. Nice to meet you too, Sophia. Sophia feels more relaxed now. She likes Emily's energy. Emily seems kind and easy to talk to. Emily asks, so, what do you like to do for fun? Sophia looks down for a second, thinking. I like simple things. Sophia says, I like coffee. I like walking. And I like trying new places. Emily smiles. I love that, Emily says. I also walk. And I love trying new coffee shops. Sophia laughs a little. Then we are in the right place, Sophia says. Emily laughs too. Yeah, Emily says. We are. Then Sophia asks, what about you? What do you do for work? Emily answers, I work in marketing. I help small business grow online. Sophia nods slowly. That sounds interesting. Sophia says, do you like your job? Emily makes a small face. Most days, she says. Sometimes it's stressful, but I like it. Sophia nods. I understand, Sophia says. My job can be stressful too. Emily asks, what do you do? Sophia answers, I'm a nurse. Emily's eyes open wide. Wow, Emily says. That's an important job. Sophia smiles. Thank you, she says. It can be hard, but I like helping people. Emily nods with respect. That's amazing, she says. After that, They kept talking. The conversation feels natural, like they are getting comfortable with each other. Emily asks, "Do you have family here?" Sophia shakes her head. "No," she says. "My family is in Texas." Emily says, "That makes sense. Do you have friends here?" Sophia smiles a little. Not yet," she says. "That's why I'm trying to go out more." Emily smiles. "Well, you have one friend now," Emily says. Sophia's face lights up. "Really?" Sophia asks. Emily nods. "Yes," Emily says. "I'm serious. You seem nice." Sophia laughs. "Thank you," Sophia says. "You seem nice too." Then Emily says, "Do you want to exchange numbers?" Sophia looks happy. "Yes," she says. "I would like that." So they take their phones and they exchange numbers. Then Emily says, "We should meet again. Maybe we can walk in the park sometime." Sophia nods quickly. "Yes," she says. "I would love that." Emily smiles. "Perfect," she says. "How about this weekend?" Sophia thinks. "This weekend works," she says. "Saturday morning?" Emily nods. "Saturday morning is great," Emily says. "Let's do it." Sophia feels good. She came to the coffee shop alone, and now she's leaving with a new friend. They finish their drinks and they stand up. Emily says, "It was really nice meeting you, Sophia." Sophia says, "It was nice meeting you too, Emily. I'm glad I sat here." Emily smiles and says, "Me too." They say goodbye and they walk out with smiles. And that's the story. Two women who meet for the first time have a simple conversation and become friends. Now, before we finish, I want to give you some very useful phrases for this story. Phrases you can remember and use in real life conversations. Here we go. Excuse me, is this seat taken? 2. You can sit here. 3. Are you new here? 4. I moved here recently. 5. Where did you move from? 6. Do you like it here so far? 7. I don't know many people yet. 8. What do you like to do for fun? 9. What do you do for work? 10. Do you like your job? 11. Do you have family here? 12. Do you have friends here? 13. You seem nice. 14. Do you want to exchange numbers? 15. We should meet again. 16. How about this weekend? 17. Saturday morning works for me. 18. It was really nice meeting you. And here are a few short ones that are great for quick answers. That sounds interesting. I understand. Most days. Not yet, but I'm trying. I would love that. This weekend works. If you want to improve faster, listen again and again. These phrases out loud. The more you repeat, the cleaner your pronunciation becomes. And before you go, please don't forget, leave a like, subscribe, and write a quick comment. It's free, and it really helps me, helps this podcast continue so I can keep making these English practice stories for you. Thank you for practicing with me today. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.